It was one of those days you wake up to a strange excitement, you look forward excitedly for the day ahead, and it was one of those days for me. I decided to go to the 800 kV substation, which is about 25 kilometers away from my house. Though I cannot show you what's inside the substation, I can definitely make you witness the beautiful journey I took to the substation. It rained all through the night before the day I left. The weather turned calm and pleasing. I could feel the bliss which was in the air. On the way, I found a massive transmission tower. Looking at it, I could not resist myself from stopping and getting some shots of it. I got onto the road again, unaware of the surprise waiting for me ahead. And the surprise was this. I saw an extra high voltage transmission tower whose construction was going on. I get so inspired looking at these towers because I feel that while they stand there, they're passing on a message to me. A message that, irrespective of heavy rains, blazing sun or windstorm, they stand still, they face it all and do their job. Finally, I reached the substation. The substation steps down the 800 kV to 420 kV and further to 245 kV. To get a closer look, I decided to go to the other side of the road. I was almost 500 to 600 meters away from the wall of the substation, but I could still hear the humming noise. After my thirst for an exciting time quenched, I started my journey back home. Where raindrops accompanied me on my way back to home. The ride was much more pleasant than I had expected, and I'm glad that I took up this trip.